Hi Internet, it's Andrew here. How you going? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to have a look at a awesome set of, well, I'm not going to say awesome yet, but a highly regarded, slightly controversial set of headphones called the Bluedio T7s. But before I do, can I please ask that you subscribe? Please hit the subscribe button down here on your PC and over here for your tablets and phones. Thank you for watching. Enjoy this professional unboxing. By professional, I mean I'm going to use a Stanley knife rather than rip it apart. So away we go. So a little bit of background for you while I'm doing this. I have a pair of wired headphones that I am absolutely in love with, but it does have its limitations. And because I use it for exercise, the cable keeps breaking and it's really annoying when I go for a walk. So at the moment, as I'm sure a lot of you are, we are in quarantine with the coronavirus outbreak. So I thought I'm going to try to get a pair of headphones that I will be able to go for a walk with without having a dangling wire. And I had a budget, and about 50 bucks is what I was looking at. So I bought the Bluedio T7. Now, there's a slight controversy with these headphones from what I've seen. All right, well packaged. Made in China, of course, or else will it be made? Bubble wrap, love it, love bubble wrap. Now Bluedio is a fairly reputable company. A lot of headphones throughout the years. So there you go, it's a 7th generation, a T7. It's actually very nicely packaged. I don't think I've really had many products this well packaged straight from eBay. You'll be able to see the link in the description below if you are after one of these. Oh, very nice. So, you know, often you get stuff come to you in fairly plain boxes, but this has got, you know, there's graphics on here. Information, multiple languages on the side. Very nice. It is just cardboard, but, you know, for this sort of money, who cares? Yeah, very nicely packaged. So straight away, awesome that you get a well-packaged product. It gives you confidence that it's going to be, you know, quite decent. So let's have a look. Looking very nice. It's got some cover plastic on there. First impressions, looking pretty damn good. Ooh, a little bit of firmness in twistiness there. That's good. And yeah, padded around the top there. Yeah, looks okay. I'm not expecting premium. So we also get a box full of stuff. Now the box is a little bit bulging. What goodies are going to be in here? There is a TRS to USB 3, Type C. So not only do you get that, but you also get a USB to Type C. That's good. Oh, and a nice black to put it in. Oh, how lovely. And you get instructions. Yep, we're going to have a look at that later because I don't want to bore you with that right now. So, look, not bad at all. And that's it, isn't it? Yep, that's it. All right, let's have a quick look at the headphones themselves. The reason I did buy these is because you have a whole bunch of buttons on the side, which a lot of previous models did not have. And so I kind of wanted to pay a little bit extra to have these extra bits and pieces. There's like a forward button and also Type C, yeah? So I did mention before Type C. So that's, you know, the latest thing out there. I don't want to be going back to, if possible, I don't want to go back to the second, like the micro USB. I'd rather stick with the newer stuff. A little bit of give there in that fabric. Anyway, $50. We'll see how they go. First impressions, yeah, not too bad. All right, that's it, everyone. So I'll make a couple of follow-up videos. So if you're in a market for some headphones around a $50 range Australian, the T7 is a fairly new series. I think it came out roughly May last year. So price is, you know, about right for $50. We'll have a bit of a look at the sound quality in the next video. That's it, everyone. Please thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like. That'll be lovely. Lots of videos coming. There's going to be many more reviews recently because as this virus is taking hold, online shopping is going to go through the roof. So it is the coming of online shopping, and there's going to be a lot more things arriving at my door. So that's it, everybody. Thank you. See you at the next video.